Ready, set. I got this over at Woodman's. This is made from avocado, new Crunchmaster. No artificial flavors, vegan, gluten-free, avocado toast, ultimate everything. So this is like, kind of like the everything but the bagel seasoning, okay? Contains sesame. All right, cool. Let's give it a go. All right, cool. Let's go. What's going on? What's new, guys? Hopefully everything is good with you. I opened that wrong. I'm looking for a lot of coating. You know something's going to be good if it's got a lot of coating. I don't see anything. All right, whatever. Let's not judge it by its cover, okay? By the way, I'm usually right when I do that, just so you know. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, they're crunchy. Crunchy baked rice crackers. These are new. What do you put on them? For dipping. You could put tomato over it. I don't know, what is that? Cream cheese over it. I like the flavor a lot. This would be cute over a salad if you like crush it up, throw it on salad. It's very seasoned. I just don't like the blend taste afterwards. No, you know what I'm tasting? The sesame. It has a very strong foundation of sesame. It's made from sesame, of course it will, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So if you like, listen, if you like rice crackers, I think you're really gonna like this. I'm usually not a fan of rice crackers. I like crackers, but these are definitely flavored, guys. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed at all. And I like, there's this one picture here where it's got like avocado, tomato, and some other stuff on top. That looks really good. I guarantee you. See that? Is it glaring? There you go. That looks really good. I guarantee you, because like I said, these are pretty coated. Even though you can't see the coating. They're good. They're very good. I think you're gonna like them. I'm not gonna buy them again. It's not my thing. I just bought them to try it for you guys, but it's not bad, guys. I definitely give this I give it a 10. I do. It's not bad at all. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.